Okay, so anyway, here's how you can make all the lousy AI voice memes that you could ever want. Get your ass over to ElevenLabs.io and sign up for an account. This is going to cost you $1 whole, so I hope you're not a broke loser or something. Anyway, you also need voice clips of someone talking, and they better be good, or you're just going to get garbage audio outputs. Luckily for you, the guy that made this tutorial is a total neat, so you can look in the description to download his audio clips. The audio clips need to be from actual people, so if you try uploading anything British or whatever, then guess what? Garbage goes in, garbage comes out. And don't even think about uploading any stupid voices like Kermit the Frog, because the wacky shit is useless. Sorry, Baka, but this site isn't going to help you make your pen smut videos. This is the part where you sign up for the subscription. If this site ever cuts the deal, it's going to cost you $4 more to churn out this trash. Hope you can afford it. After you're subscribed, don't be a dumbass and forget to cancel that shit. And don't cry about it either, because you already paid your $1, and you'll still get to make the dumb voice clips. Okay, now you have to upload the clips, so go to the Voice Lab and add an instant voice. I don't know what the rest of this shit is, so just ignore it, I guess. The voice settings are pretty useful if your character sounds like an idiot, so add stability to make them sound more lifeless like Rei, and reduce it to make them sound more emotional like that idiot Shinji. The clarity slider smooths the audio out or something, I don't know.
Your AI voice memes make you seem cool. But remember, Shinji, that some of us know you in real life.
Doesn't my boyfriend sound so dreamy? You should make voice clones of the person you like. Then you can send them clips of them saying epic memes and copy pastas. I'm sure they'll love it so much that they'll give you your first ever grown-up kiss. Anyway, I should mention that if you steal someone's memes to make them even worse with these AI voices, just give them a mention or something, okay? We already know their lives are pathetic, so the least you could do is send a little bit of attention their way. Please go out and try this stuff so that you can prove that you're the most sane Evangelion fan, all right? Later.